Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here, and I'm going to show you how to fix Isofix into the Audi A4 B6. Now, first of all, you will have to remove your seats. However, I'll put a link in the description of how I remove them. It's pretty easy. So don't worry about that. Obviously go in the description. I'll put in the description the other one, this video, so you can easily find it. So how they fit on, so just go onto this. You'll have pre-drilled holes. So go in, so line it up. Okay, make sure it does fit first. And also what I did is just tried these bolts first, just make sure they definitely fit. Sorry about the mess. Just make sure they definitely fit, which they do. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to put a thread lock on this, put it through there, and then tighten them up. Fortunately, it's going to be a two-handed job at this point, so I'm going to have to stop filming. But yeah, just put them in loosely, and then we'll go over tighten them up with a wrench. Now, don't tighten them up completely. Make sure that you can wiggle it so there's equal distance on here, okay? Because otherwise it could be wonky. Once you've done that, we're going to we're going to tighten these down a bit more, and then we're going to torque tighten. Once these are start feeling a bit resistant, we will swap over to a torque wrench, and it will be 30 newton meters of torque. Sweet. Process on the other side, and we're done. Sweet, so thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe for more videos on the Audi A4 B6 and other helpful videos. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. And yeah, hope to see you soon. Thank you.